Hello there. Welcome back to Qrontact Connects, Episode 3. I'm Q-Ron, and here's my beautiful co-host, Q-Rina. How you doing today?
I'm doing pretty good, thanks. And hi to all our listeners. Here we are for the third time. I've been counting down to this one ever since we left that cliffhanger in the last episode. Today's the day we finally reveal what our boss discovered back then.
That's right. Today, we're walking through the design process of Qrontact as the solid foundation you see today.
Ooh, I've been waiting for this one. I've always wanted to know what's behind all the design choices in this platform. Last episode, we heard our boss say he wanted to close the gap in the world of digital contacts, so I'm guessing he saw something missing, right?
Totally. When he tried other apps back then, something just felt off. But he couldn't pinpoint exactly what it was at first. So when he decided to build Qrontact, he went deep, researching, testing, and figuring out what was really missing. And once he slowly uncovered those gaps, that's when he knew Qrontact could truly work. Today, we're going to find out exactly what he discovered.
That's what I'm here for, and I'm sure our listeners are too. So let's get into it.
All right, here's the scoop. Our boss found 3 big gaps in traditional digital contact platforms, 3 things that could be done better. Today, we'll go through each one so you can see the big picture.
Ready.
First up, the profile setup. When our boss started designing Qrontact, he quickly realized that personal and professional profiles need very different approaches. Professional, like staff profiles, are usually company managed, while personal profiles are entirely individual.
Ah, I see. And if a digital contact app lets users edit both personal and professional profiles the same way, it's a bit strange.
Exactly. Imagine when someone joins a company. HR sets up their staff profile. You don't make your own business card, do you? So it's not right to let each staff member build their own professional profile. It could get messy.
And if staff manage their own company profile, mistakes or missed updates could hurt the company's image.
That's why he decided each profile type should be separate with its own way to manage. So he designed 3 different profile types for Qrontact: company, staff, and personal.
Ooh, no wonder the dev team calls it triple the work.
Yep, each profile has its own rules and structure.
That's interesting. So I guess that's the first gap he wanted to improve. What's next?
All right, let's talk about something people often overlook: sharing.
Sharing? How could we improve that? Right now, digital contact apps can share via link, QR code, and more. So where's the room for improvement?
Still, most apps just share a static V card.
And that V-card gets saved directly to the local device.
Exactly. But here's the problem. If you update your info later, the people who saved your contact won't see it. They're stuck with outdated details. That's why I say the V-card system is only half a solution.
Thinking about it that way, yeah, it really is incomplete.
Exactly. So we started the sharing process with the Qrontact profile screen, where all the data is displayed live. Then we share this profile link instead.
Ah, so this screen is stored online and always up to date.
Yes, no more manual updates in the local phone book. And we didn't stop there. Qrontact can save all profiles as connections, which act like a smartphone book.
Okay, so you can save and view the profile later. That's great for the receiver, too.
Of course, to make it complete, the whole process from sender to receiver needs to be smooth. Not just saving a static contact in your phone, but being able to revisit the profile anytime for the latest info.
Sounds like the flow is complete from sender to receiver. That's already a major improvement. So is there still more area to improve?
Absolutely. The one last piece that bridges digital and analog, the hybrid business card.
I know this one, the business card with a QR code on it.
Correct, but most hybrid cards today are DIY, using QR codes from single apps like a chat app, social media, or a V-card link. Some companies just paste a QR code onto their existing card. It can be clumsy.
So if the info or QR code changes, that card is totally useless.
Exactly. And most apps offer pure digital sharing, trying to get rid of paper business cards completely. But that makes things harder for face-to-face or event meetups, where you might not want to pull out a phone to scan or tap an NFC card.
This is huge. This alone can make digital contact struggle.
Yes, it could. So we fixed it with an approach that's both effective and easy to use.
You're talking about the template editor in Qrontact for Business, right?
Yes, we built a tool that bridges digital and paper business cards.
I can vouch for this. It's easy to use and super flexible. Business owners are gonna love it.
Sure. So those are the key improvements that have been the backbone of Qrontact till today.
Now I see why we have two platforms, Qrontact mobile app and Qrontact for Business. They're designed to deliver all these fundamentals in the right way.
Yup. But let's save those details for future episodes. Let's do a quick recap, shall we?
Today, we learned that each profile type needs its own approach. We saw how the sharing process must work smoothly for both sender and receiver. And finally, we agreed the paper business card still has value. So instead of removing it, we embraced it, bridging digital and analog with the template editor.
You nailed it, Q-Rina. All right, that's all the context for today's episode.
We hope this podcast inspires you to see how powerful a digital contact solution can be.
And you're listening to Qrontact Connects. I'm Q-Ron.
And I'm Q-Rina.
The podcast for everything Qrontact.
Wishing you all a wonderful day. See you in episode 4, Qrontact for Business.
Until then, stay connected, stay awesome. Bye.